Next, ito sis, extra small to small, pabayas cut, itim. Code ng itim, ito dito. Hindi, ito pala. Oh, tapos nandito pala.
Small to med, pamine pleated. Small to med pleated.
Okay, next, garter sa waist sis. Large semi-XL, code ng stretch. Mine stretch, large semi-XL. Code ng stretch.
Medium to large, pamine flower. Pamine flower, medium to large.
Next, medium, design. Code ng design, medium size, design.
Medium to large, pamine pearl. Pamine pearl, medium to large. Medium to large, pamine donya. Medium to large, mine donya.
Next, ang haba mga sis ko. Large semi-XL, long. Code ng long, large semi-XL. Mine long, mine long.
Small to med, pamine peach. Small to med, peach.
Code ng peach. Next, embroidered to sis, XL double, mine doble. Mine doble, XL double. Code ng doble.
Extra small to small, pamine baby. Pamine baby, extra small to small. Size medium, pamine puti. Size medium, pamine puti. Ito ang cute. Pamine sexy, size medium. Pamine sexy, medium to large.
Code ng sexy, long.
Meron po ito?
Wala pa. Long sis dit, double. Ano yung double?
Doble.
Ito pala. Your sis Joanna Catano. Sis Joanna New Minor, kaya mag-down payment 200, less sa invoice, PM na lang sa page.
Sis Anjek, yours na po, baby. Medium to large, pamine ube. Medium to large, ube.
Next, large XL. Code na lang ako dito ng Donya. Mine Donya, large XL. Donya ang code.
Medium to large, peach. Pamine peach, medium to large. Pamine medium, large, red. Mine red, medium to large.
Next, large XL. May inner yan sis. Code ako dito Fresco. Mine Fresco, large XL. Code ng Fresco.
Small to medium, pamine layer. Small to medium, layer.
Next, small med, Azul. Mine Azul. Small to med, Azul.
Extra small to small, pamine violet. Extra small to small, violet.
Next, large size, bagsak. Mine bagsak large. Code ng bagsak.
Small to medium, pamine powder. Small to medium, powder. Red. Yours na po, sis. Dick.
Next, small to med, garter sa waist, kasal. Mine kasal, small med.
Large to XL, pamine mahaba. Large to XL, mahaba.
Bagsak sis Jessica Lazada. New minor sis kayo mag-DP 200. Less sa invoice, pa-PM na lang sa page.
Medium to large, pamine balikat. Medium to large, balikat.
Mine balikat. Next, medium collar. Code ng collar. Baka meron pang ano ba? Yung mga new minor na walang DP. I-live na natin.
Small to medium, pamine sexy. Small to medium, pamine sexy. Ay?
Mahaba sis Jessica. Ano ba ito? Ay, sis Jessica, pa-PM mo na ako sa page. Sis Jessica, and then pa-settle po ako ng down payment. Thank you so much. Next, brand new with tag. Large code bago. Mine bago large. Code ng bago.
Medium to large, pamine milk. Medium to large, milk.
Code ng mint. Next, medium old rose. Mine old rose, medium size, old rose.
Size large to XL, pamine cream. Pamine cream, large to XL.
Next, XL double, simple. Cotton ang tela, simple. XL double. Next, medium size, may tali sa waist, floral. Mine floral, medium. Floral ang code.
Medium to large, pamine romper. Pamine romper, medium to large.
Next, size nito sis medium, dilaw. Code ng dilaw, medium size. Mine dilaw. Click mo ganda maging white. Next. Medium size. Printed. Printed. Okay.
Small to med, pamain, ube. Small to med, ube.
Floral sis Cleofe, yours. Floral. Next, small, medium, garter sa waist, maxi ang code. Mine, maxi, small to med. Code
Small
is
to
maxi.
med, pamain, powder. Small to med, powder.
Next, apadal dress. Large, code ng Cuello. Mine, Cuello, large. Code ng Cuello. Ano? Sobrang. Next is medium, malinis. Mine, malinis, medium size. Okay, sige sis, may message daw.
Small to med, pamain, red. Small to med, red.
Next, small, medium, painting. Mine, painting, small to med.
Small to med, pamain, damit. Small to med, pamain, damit.
Next, size nito sis, medium. Code na lang ako dito ng formal. Formal. Cuello, yours is V. Cuello.
Medium to large, pamain, burda. Medium to large, pamain, burda.
Code borda. Next, medium size hanggang semi-large. Ruby. Mine ruby, med to semi-large. Code ruby. Next, eto sis, large. Picture. Code ng picture, large. Picture.
Pamain, guhit. Medium to large, pamain, guhit.
Next, cotton yan, pasando dress. XL double, sando. Sando, formal. Sis Judita.
Medium to large, pamain, bulaklak. Medium to large, pamain, bulaklak.
Next, ito yung ano.
Red.
Ano yung red?
Ito po.
Ay. Red sis Ivy, yours. Red. Next. Large, code ng style. Mine style, large.
Size medium to large, pamain maganda. Pamain maganda, small to large. Ay, medium to large.
Next, medium size. Code na lang ako dito ng, bulaklak. Medium size, bulaklak.
Ito, sis, ang sexy.
Patube yan.
Ay, ito.
A large size, patube. Ang ganda.
Pamain tube.
Mine tube. May pabakal yan sa dibdib. Next, strappy sis. Medium. Code ng abo. Mine, abo.
Size small, pamain sexy. Size small, sexy.
Ang ganda. Next, medium. Diamond. Mine, diamond, medium size. Makapal tela ni diamond. Next, may tali sa waist. Medium, semi-large. Code ng cotton candy. Cotton candy. Bulaklak sis Elaine. Yours is
Size
Elaine.
large, pamain gray. Pamain gray, size large.
Code ng gray. Next, ito sis another patube. Smack sa likod. Size is medium. Code ng ano dito?
May
Event. Amen. Ngayon. Code ako dito ng event. Medium size. Event. Next. Small to med. Garter. Mine garter. Small med.
Large to XL, pamain gitna. Large to XL, gitna.